Relate an image using the puppet warp. So here we have our figure. If you don't see her all the way, you can just type in Command 0. You do Command -sign. Let's go ahead. So if I do Command plus, I'll zoom in. Command -sign zooms out, and Command 0 makes it full screen. I'm going to go ahead and make the puppet warp. So I go Edit up on top, Puppet Warp, and then you can see the mesh. Our goal is to move the head belt back. So we're going to go ahead and add pins to our figure along the path and up about around her neck area, and then going down as well. And I'm add another one there. And if I use the Option key or Alt, and you can see how the warp, whoa, this is so cool. It turns blue, the little pin turns blue, that means it's active. So if I wanted to activate this one, well actually that deleted it, but let's activate this one right here at the neck. And all I have to do is go up to the top, and I believe the rotation is 170, about 10 to 12 pins, and rotate, fix it's like 170. So we moved her head back. And then if you like that, click on the accept button, which is the check mark.